What's going on YouTube? So it's Kristina and Martin from Thrift Store Go back at you with another video, another vlog. So today is going to be the start of the daily vlogs. So it's about like 6 a.m. right now. We're going to be heading to the gym in a minute here. Just going to get ready. And then we're going to hustle the rest of the day. Just going to kind of bring the camera around for all of my day. Kristina's going to be going to work, but then we come back and we're going to show you the hustle and literally everything that we do. So stay tuned, guys. So first thing we pretty much do in the morning when we wake up after we get ready is Kristina checks some eBay. I go over there and do some other eBay stuff. But so we're gonna finish all of this up, checking through emails and all that, and then we're gonna get to the gym. Just taking Finn out before we go. Kristina's just pulling up her car. We're gonna be going to the gym right now, so peace. Okay guys, so we're just headed out from the gym. Had a good workout. Gym's right there. We're gonna go home now, get some breakfast, and then do some work. Yes. Okay guys, so we're home now. A couple hours later, we got our food in us. We did a couple eBay things. Had a sale that we actually had to package up and stuff, so we got that. Gonna ship that out later. Right now, we're gonna film a couple videos, because that's something that we do. We film like 2 or 3 videos, and it's kind of funny, because we actually keep a set of changed clothes for the tops, so you guys don't know that they're filmed on the same day. So it's a little tip. So this is literally what we do. So we just do this, clip that one, and we clip this one, and there you go. This is the little filming space that you guys see. This is what we sit behind. This is what faces us. We have a mirror. And then I just
it's such a mess.
Yeah. But we gotta get to filming some videos, so that's what we're gonna be doing. We gotta deal with this light, because that's a little crazy right now. Okay guys, so this is actually the point where we switch clothes. We just finished our first video, so that will be uploaded today, so yesterday when you guys are watching this. And yeah, because like I said, I'm gonna start doing I set the camera up, but I'm gonna start doing these daily vlogs of just showing you guys more of what we're doing, because we really want to just be more involved with you guys. So we're gonna start doing daily vlogs. So yeah, we're gonna start filming our second video. We have, if you can see right there,
Don't spoil them.
4 of them to film. I won't let it focus so you guys can't really see, because those are some quality videos. Yeah, some gold. So that's what we do. And that's why you guys, that's why I'm always saying I'm always editing, because I always have videos to film, because I always have videos. Yep. So we're gonna get to it. Finn keeps messing us up. Look at this. Finn keeps going in and messing up the curtains.
But he's letting the light on my plant, so it's kind of nice.
Yeah. So we gotta get this filming, these 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, and 5th video. Oh boy. So yeah. Okay guys, so we just finished up. Filmed our 5th video, got our shirts changed, so those will be up whenever I get to editing them, and probably in a couple days. Yeah, she opened the lights back up. It's really bright in here.
My plants need light. I can't help it.
So right now, she's gonna get to taking some eBay pictures. I'm gonna get to editing one of the videos that's dropping today, and then I'm gonna get to editing this vlog probably. So I'll show you guys a little bit on my editing, and we'll show you guys a little bit on how she takes pictures, and then she's gonna be going to work, and then I'm gonna be editing the rest of the day. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing from the rest of the time, because we hit the gym earlier, we got our breakfast, we did our filming, now we gotta do some eBay pictures and some editing. So yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, so real quick before we do go and get into like editing and all that, I did recently just make my first beat, because I want to start making my own music for our videos. So I'm going to play that with a little montage of something that I'll edit, so I have no clue what it's going to be. Maybe it'll be some past clips, maybe it'll be a Finnegan or something, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about this beat, because I made it myself and it was the first one I've made, and I'm pretty happy on it, but it's going to be getting better, so let me know, guys. So I'm just editing now, doing some stuff to this video that I'm gonna be posting today, obviously yesterday like I've said. So Kristina's off at work. I'm actually gonna be doing something that I haven't done in a little bit, but I'm gonna go to kind of a friend's house and do some work for him, do some yard work for 2 hours and get that done because it's a quick 50 bucks I can make. So definitely gonna do that. And then after that, just get back into editing because I've been doing this since like 12, yeah, I don't know. Been doing it all day, got a bunch more hours to go, a bunch more videos to do, so that's how the vlog's going, that's where I'm doing, yeah. So I just finished up editing that video. I'm gonna start exporting it, and while I do that, I'm gonna be opening up Photoshop to edit the thumbnail. Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna be heading out now. Just gotta put my boots on, gotta find them. Okay, so now I got my boots on, I gotta go. See you later, Finn. Get the keys in there. Let's go. Almost gonna be running late. That clock is actually an hour behind because of daylight savings was last week. And I barely drive my truck anymore. So I'm gonna put the camera down because it's not safe to film and drive. So yeah, peace guys. So I'm about a minute away. I'm still driving here, about to be pulling up. I'm not gonna have the camera rolling when I get there. So I'm gonna start working, be here till about 6, so about like 2 hours. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished that up. I'm just gonna go home now, probably get something to eat maybe, and then just do some more editing because that's all I do. So I just got home. I'm actually eating some pizza. Finn's right down there. So yeah, just gonna wait for Kristina to come home. I'm gonna be editing until she comes home at 9, and then we're gonna do something. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so now Kristina's home. That's pretty much it. We're kind of just probably gonna go to bed now.
We didn't do anything exciting.
Yeah. How was your day at work though?
It was good. It was long.
Yeah, that's good.
And I packed up 900 boxes today.
Oh wow. So we're gonna end it there guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you want us to do more vlogs. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog. Peace.